Hello and welcome. My name is Zandra, and I am going to guide you through some helpful tips for prompting. Generally, when working on AI prompts, the rule is better prompts equal better results. In this short tutorial, we are going to go through how making just a few small tweaks to a prompt can really unlock way more powerful, specific, and accurate responses from Zandra AI. Let's start by going into the Zandra AI interface. The best rule when dealing with prompts, especially in the digital forensics world, is to avoid asking questions and instead tell it what you want. Let's start by creating a new case. Once a case is made, we need to add data. When we add data, we can ask for the data to be parsed in two different ways. We'll see the results here. Next, we will configure the case. Go to the settings and select the gear icon. Go up to the chat settings and select the system default. We know we have a system default when that gear is shown right there. After that, update the case and we can start using the AI. When communicating with Zandra, we communicate in threads. In this thread, we are going to analyze jump list data. In this example, there are only 4 different jump list items, but there could be hundreds. When prompting or communicating, there are 3 essential parts to the prompt. First is an introduction as to what kind of data we're working with. In this case, Windows 10 jump list. Next, we want to tell the AI this is what you should expect to see. If you don't know what data is that you're looking at, you can simply say, here is an unknown amount of data or type of data, and you can then tell it to analyze it. The final part of the prompt is we're telling it what it is. Here's the actual data that we're going to have analyzed, and then the instruction, which in this case is what files are located on the external media. We will copy the prompt and paste it into the AI and tell it to run. The AI has replied with a list of files that are supposed to be on external media. Now we would like to verify those results. We can look for the word removable as an example. The AI has identified 4 files, 1, 2, 3, and 4 that have been on removable media. If we search for the word removable, there we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here is one that is not on any removable media. All the data has been provided, but we might want more. If we adjust the prompt, we can find better results. So here we have the same information, but we just have a little bit of a difference in our prompt. Now, we are going to tell it that using the provided Windows jump list and no other data, so it doesn't mix up any other data. Provide a report detailing all the relevant file access information, metadata, etc., identified as being on an external media. This little bit of extra context will get more detailed information. The AI will do the analysis, and it comes back identifying the exact same files again, but then it's giving us all the metadata for creation date, file access date, modifications, target. This adds additional information that can be more useful for a digital forensic investigator. The analysis is always done in real time, so you can adjust quickly by adjusting your prompts to be more exact. In every instance of Zandra, there are sample case data and prompts that can be used as you become more familiar with the tool. Zandra has been taught to study and analyze everything from copying and working with log file data, data exfiltration, SMS and GPS data, emails, forensic artifacts, and more. Try the example prompts in the system with the sample data and find out for yourself how a prompt can really make a difference. Make sure you subscribe to our channel for additional tutorial videos.